Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to batch process images with Mac Preview. Imagine you have a collection of images and you need to make consistent changes to all, such as resizing or converting the format. This is where batch processing comes into play. While most image editing applications like Photoshop offer batch processing capabilities, you can also achieve this with the built-in Preview app on your Mac. Let's start with a scenario. Suppose you have a group of images like this. If you select one of these images and inspect its information, you will see it's pixels wide and in JPEG format. By double-clicking it, you open it in Preview by default. From there, you can go to Tools, adjust the size, or even convert the format by going to File, Export, and selecting a new format. But what if you need to do this for a whole bunch of files? Perhaps you have 50 or even 500 images to process. That is where previous batch processing capabilities come into play. To begin, you will want to select all the images you want to process. You can shift-click to select range, but I will use Command-A to select all files in this folder. Now, open them all together. You will notice that they open in Preview. But the key is to look for a slide bar that displays the images in a single window. They should open in one window, not as individual tabs. If they don't, it could be due to your preview settings. If you go to Preview, Settings, and then Images, ensure that you have open groups of files in the same window or open all files in one window selected. This is essential for batch processing to work effectively. Now that you have all your images open in a single preview window, you can switch between them easily. Moreover, you can select multiple images simultaneously by command-clicking to pick specific ones or using Shift-click to select a range. Alternatively, you can use Command-A to select all images, which is a keyboard shortcut for Edit, Select All. With your images selected, you can now make changes to all of them at once. For instance, if you want to resize them, go to Tools, Adjust Size, and you will see the size of all selected images. You can set new dimensions, and Preview will provide a summary of changes for all images. When you click OK, it automatically saves the resized images. No need to save them individually. You can apply this batch processing technique to other operations as well. For instance, you can rotate all the selected images by going to Tools, Rotate. Remember to undo any unwanted changes with Command-Z. The same approach works for flipping images or using other basic tools. However, it is essential to note that more advanced adjustments, such as changes in color or exposure, will only apply to the currently active image, not all selected image. Where batch processing shines is during exporting. With all your images selected, go to File, Export, choose a location, and if needed, click Show Options to specify the format quality and other export settings. This is particularly useful if you want to convert images to a different format, reduce file sizes, or make other bulk changes. Upon exporting, you will find the newly processed images in your chosen location. Keep in mind that when you change dimensions or rotate images using batch processing, the changes are automatically saved. If you want to preserve the original images, consider duplicating them or their folder and making changes to the copies. I hope you found this tutorial on batch processing images in Preview helpful. It is a valuable technique for efficiently handling multiple images, whether you need to resize, rotate, or convert them. Remember to use it wisely and safeguard your original files. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.